Hi there. In this video we'll be taking a look at this OLIGHT ArkPro Lite flashlight that daughter received from OLIGHT Santa, so thanks OLIGHT Santa, and it will be a review where she is allowed to take the product in her hands and see if she can open the box herself. If not, I will help, and sorry about my finger, yeah, a bit messed up. A bit of info about OLIGHT in general, and let's get in the box. See, she is opening it, gave her a bit of help, and now she can get it out of the box. And let's see what we have here. Are we upside down? Yes, of course we are upside down. Luckily it didn't fall out. Charge to activate before first use. Yes, it's in a protected transport mode. Center button, UV, white and red light. Okay. So this has also a red light, which is quite cool. In some environments, at night, for example, red light doesn't scare away animals. It's much better for your eyes because it preserves night view. Your eyes don't react that much to red light, so you are not losing your night vision mode in your eyes, if I make any sort of sense. Type-C charging with a tiny protection flap on it. Side really nice pattern on it, and really well machined, better than it needs to be, honestly. Shiny center button, and it has indicator LEDs that you will see when we turn this on after we connect it to the charger. I need to remove the sticker right here, and we will also take a look in the manual itself. And I think somewhere around here, yep, we have the magnetic OLIGHT charger that their flashlights work with. So if you have other OLIGHT flashlights, same one, it just connects right here, obviously without a sticker. And here is the manual. You can feel free to pause at any time and read more about this. It's a comparison between the ArkPro Lite, which is the fellow in this video, and ArkPro and also Ultra, but I don't have the Ultra at the moment, which is the bigger which are the bigger brothers or bigger sisters, whatever you want to call them, of the ArkPro Lite. Same series, different capabilities. ArkPro and ArkPro Ultra are quite similar, but Lite, it's a bit different, as in it can actually have red light. It's the only one with red light mode. And it doesn't have the laser itself. So if you don't need the laser but like red light, the Lite is the one to go for you. More info right here about it. Battery a bit smaller, but size is also a bit smaller, and weight obviously. Charging time about the same. And on the back side of it, that's a different thing with ArkBit, that's only for the Ultra. And it's charging, and this will turn green when it's done, and you can obviously charge by USB Type-C. It's your option. And it's fully charged. And being in a hotel room, we only have this type of lights, and there's no real night light. This can do that. Long press the button, and it's moonlight mode. And it will run like forever in this mode. So, see you in the morning. As you can see, in my opinion, this is the absolute perfect level of light for a night light. It's great. Yes, white ceiling makes it look like it gives too much light for a night light, but no, believe me, it's absolutely perfect. So, in vacations, a flashlight like this, it's a great night light anywhere. And it's next morning, and this is still going. I wouldn't expect anything less, so perfect. And let me turn it off now. Battery doesn't care at all that it runs all night in moonlight mode. So let's do a night test of this flashlight in the hotel room. The center button and the rotating selector are all the things that you are pressing while using this in different modes. And I will tell you exactly what I'm doing, even if you will not be able to see quite everything. So turn it off, tap center button. It also shows charge level at the moment. Long press center button, it's on in moonlight mode. In this mode, look how well it illuminates and lasts 10 days. Again, to start this, you need to long press it. Then tap it, shuts off. If you want to lock it when you are traveling or you have it in your backpack, in your pocket, long press center button until it goes off, and now you have it locked. You can see that small lock, and whatever you do, it only shows the lock. To unlock it, long press center button, and now it's on. If you want to go to a higher power level, long press center button while it's on, and it will toggle through modes. So low, medium, high. It's not going into moonlight. Into moonlight you can only go from when it's off. And if you want directly turbo mode, double tap the center button. And yeah, now you are in freaking turbo mode, and look at this. Just look how much light it has for such a small flashlight, and it's kind of a mix of spot plus flooded. It doesn't have a clear spot, which I really like, so it's universal, really good. Now just tap it and it will be off. Tap it again, it starts in high power, not in turbo. It doesn't automatically go to turbo, only with a double tap. Let's go into a lower mode. Okay, and always in here on the left side it shows you the mode it's in. So this is the higher that you can go without double tapping. Double tap, it goes to the absolute max. Let's get out of that. If you rotate the slider now, depending on the direction that you rotate it, you can go into red light mode, which is pretty cool because it preserves your ability to see at night, your eyes' ability to see at night, while giving extra vision, basically. White light cancels the ability of the eyes to see at night. It's yeah, a bit of biology of how our eyes work. If you long tap this, you will get maximum red light power. Pretty cool. And yeah, obviously you can triple tap it and it enters SOS mode, 1, 2, 3. It's in SOS mode, but I tapped on it to shut it off, and now I will just press it to get back to normal mode. Forgot to tell you, in white light mode, so I rotate it and now we are in the middle. If you triple tap it, it will go into strobe mode, 1, 2, 3, yeah, but quickly press it, that bothers my eyes. Now if you rotate the rotating switch to the other side, we are in UV light mode, and yeah, this is it. You will see every speck of dust, and you might not want to see some things in a hotel room, for example, like this. Anyway, yeah, again, if you long press it, increase to maximum UV power. Yeah, you really don't want to see some things in your hotel room, and this light brings it all out. Separate video for this pen, which is awesome. Open 3. And this is outside in turbo mode. As you can see, plenty of light for whatever you need to do. No issues whatsoever. Let's switch to red light. And highest red light setting. Some light is available from what's already around, this helps preserve that. And this is moonlight mode, helping me see all around me. And this lasts again 10 days. That's huge in case of problems. And that's about it for this video. We've been using this thing for about a month now. Daughter really likes it. It's obviously much better for her as it's smaller than the full size ones, and it actually doesn't have that pesky laser that I'm not that happy about a 5-year-old child having. So this is without it. I think it's a bit safer, and yeah, I'm sweating on my fingers now, but as you can see, it's surprisingly easy to clean. And that's about it. If anybody has any question, feel free to ask in the comments. Thanks again, OLIGHT, for sending this in, and as always, see you in the next video. Bye.